Welcome back to Location Relocation. Today's episode is a special one for all you budget-savvy movers out there. We're diving into budget-friendly moving tips, how to relocate on a tight budget. Moving can be expensive, but it doesn't have to break the bank. Whether you're a first-time mover or a seasoned nomad, these tips will help you save money. So, tighten those purse strings and let's embark on this budget-friendly moving journey. Are you gearing up for a move but worried about the costs? Well, you're in the right place. Moving on a tight budget may seem challenging, but with a few smart strategies and a little elbow grease, you can make it happen. Let's get into these money-saving tips and tricks. DIY packing tips. First up, let's talk packing. DIY packing is a fantastic way to cut costs. Start by gathering free boxes from local stores, friends, or online marketplaces. Grocery stores and bookshops often have sturdy boxes they're happy to give away. Use household items as packing materials. Towels, clothes, and bedding can protect your items just as well as bubble wrap. Declutter before you pack. Sell, donate, or discard items you no longer need. Less stuff means fewer boxes and reduced moving costs. Pack heavy items in sturdy boxes and place them on the bottom of the truck. Lighter items can go on top. Label each box with the room it belongs in and the contents of the box. This will make unpacking much easier. If you have fragile items, pack them separately and cushion them with packing peanuts or bubble wrap. Take pictures of your belongings before you pack them. This will help you keep track of what you have and make it easier to find things when you unpack. If you're moving a long distance, it's a good idea to pack an emergency kit. Include essential items like food, water, clothing, and toiletries. Timing your move. Believe it or not, timing is everything when it comes to cost-effective moving. Move during off-peak times. Midweek and mid-month dates are typically cheaper than weekends and month ends. Avoid moving in the summer if possible. This is peak moving season, and rates are usually higher. Also, consider the weather. In some areas, moving during winter can be cheaper, but make sure to weigh the pros and cons. If you can, plan your move for a time when you have some flexibility. This will give you more time to shop around for the best deals on moving services. If you need to move during peak season, consider hiring a moving company that offers discounts for early bookings. Finding affordable moving services. Get multiple quotes from different companies. This will help you compare prices and find the best deal. Be sure to read the fine print before signing a contract. Make sure you understand what is and is not included in the price. Ask if the company offers any discounts. Some companies offer discounts for students, military personnel, or seniors. Consider hiring a local moving company. They may be able to offer you a better price than a national company. Do your own research. Read online reviews of different companies to get an idea of their reputation. Be prepared to negotiate. Don't be afraid to ask for a lower price. By following these tips, you can find affordable moving services that will help you make your move a success. Sell and buy secondhand. Sell items you don't need before moving. Use online marketplaces to sell items you don't need before moving. This is a great way to make some extra cash and declutter your home at the same time. Furnish your new place with secondhand finds. There are many great online marketplaces and thrift stores where you can find affordable furniture and decor. Utilize technology to save money on your move. There are many apps and websites that can help you find the best deals on moving services, packing supplies, and more. Also, consider enlisting friends and family to help with packing and moving. A thank you pizza party is cheaper than professional movers. Unpacking in your new home. Once you're in your new home, the urge to buy everything new can be tempting, but remember, unpack slowly and thoughtfully. Don't rush to unpack everything all at once. Take your time and unpack only the things you need right away. This will help you avoid feeling overwhelmed. Use what you have before buying new items. Before you go out and buy new furniture or decor, take a look at what you already have. You may be surprised at how much you can use. DIY where you can. Personal touches make a house a home, and they don't have to cost much. For example, you can paint your walls, hang pictures, or make your own curtains. And that's it. Moving on a budget is definitely doable with a bit of planning and creativity. Just remember to start early, be organized, and don't be afraid to ask for help. If you follow these tips, you'll be able to move into your new home without breaking the bank. Thank you for joining us on Location Relocation. For more tips on budget-friendly living and moving, don't forget to subscribe. See you next time, and happy budget-friendly moving. Check out our playlist for more tips on frugal living and savvy moving. Hit that subscribe button for our latest content. Here's to moving smart and saving big.